Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Indore location. Let's discuss one by one. Job opening for marketing internship position from Opsis Health Tech Private Limited, located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Job responsibilities will be: find and create a database of potential partners across Indore, reach out to potential partners across Indore and bring them on board, set up partners online profile on our website, own social media handles, research and post content. So these are the job responsibilities. Please check with these ones. Coming to requirements: effective presentation and communication skills are required, fluent in English, interest in fitness. So these are the requirements and the skills needed for a candidate for this profile. So you please check with the all the details provided here, and interested candidates for detailed information you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 8871065000. Next, there is a job role for US IT bench sales recruiter position from Soft Standard Solutions LLP. It is located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. They are offering a salary range between 12,000 to 15,000 rupees per month for this position. Coming to job responsibilities: responsible for handling IT requirements from US based clients and sell bench candidates, including direct marketing candidates or trainees or H1B transfer candidates, understand IT requirements of clients as well as IT resource needs and deliver qualified consultants, sourcing and screening potential IT candidates from effective usage of internal systems or database, job portals, postings and networking within time frame. So these are the job responsibilities. Next, you please check with the skills needed for this position, and for detailed information you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9100106949. There is a job role for senior US IT recruiter from Kritin Digital Solutions Private Limited, located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. They are offering a salary range between 2,40,000 to 6 lakhs rupees per annum. So 2 to 5 years of experience is needed. Shift timings will be 6 p.m. to 4 a.m. It's a night shift. Interested candidates, you please check with the responsibilities and the duties required for this position, and for detailed information you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 777-300-4080. Job role for US IT recruiter position from Techit Solutions, located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. They are offering a salary for this position is 25,000 rupees per month. It's a full-time job, and 1 to 3 years of experience is needed for this position, and it's a US staffing. You please check with the responsibilities and what are the skills needed for this position. Please check with all the details provided here, and for detailed information you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9685308585. There is a job vacancy for interns or freshers from Stifepol Private Limited, located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. For this the qualification will be MCA, BE in CS preferred. So coming to skills required: good hand with CNC PP and good logical skills and communication skills are needed. They are going to offer great training sessions, paid time off including holidays, flexible work hours. So interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email IDs. there is a job role for social media marketing position from OSS India Marketing. It is located in Indore location, Madhya Pradesh. So coming to day-to-day responsibilities, post content on various social media accounts. You should use various marketing strategies on Instagram and Facebook. You will be guided by their marketing head. Work on SEO of various websites. Write creative captions for post skills required. Search engine optimization SEO and creative writing. Learn these skills on Internship time trainings. Learn SEO, learn creative. So these are all the responsibilities needed for this position. So interested candidates for detailed information and about the salary details and about work details and all, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 7987350060. Next, there are vacancies from Indian Institute of Management, Indore. They are hiring for the position of librarian located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. One vacancy is available for this position. Qualification will be MPhil or PhD, MLib. So 13 to 18 years of experience is needed for this position, and the salary is not disclosed. Last date to apply for this position is 24th February 2021. So only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. So interested candidates, you can send your application to the provided email ID. In the application, you have to send scanned copies of qualification certificates, experience certificate, and category or PWD certificate, and you have to write in a subject as application for the post of librarian. You have to send your resume, I mean application, to the provided email ID, that is career@iimidr.ac.in on before February 24th 2021. So interested candidates, for detailed information for application process, you can visit this website link provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for online bidder. It is from eSatisfy Solutions located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. They are hiring for the positions of online bidder and business developer executive positions. Working hours will be 6 hours a day. It's a part time. So coming to roles and responsibilities, the candidate should be responsible for generating new leads, managing good relationship with existing clients for getting more work. Candidate should be target oriented, and the candidate should have good presentation skills. For this, the education qualification will be graduate or undergraduates, both can apply for this position. So you please check with the information provided here, and for detailed information you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 93400 Next, there is a vacancy for customer support executive from Elite Solutions located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. They are offering a salary range for this position is 12,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. Interested candidates, you please check with the information provided here, and coming to responsibilities, managing a team of representatives, offering customer support, overseeing the customer service process, resolving customer complaints brought to your attention, creating policies and procedures, planning the training and standardization of service delivery, selecting and hiring new staff, monitoring the work of individual representatives and of the team. Please check with the responsibilities provided here, and for detailed information you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8770732798. Next, there is a vacancy for reception or back office executive position from Opal Placement located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So they are hiring for multiple profiles in Indore, and they are hiring for all these positions for back office executives, cashier, MIS executives, administrator, sales, BDE, computer operator. So they are hiring for all these positions. So interested candidates, for detailed information you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9993537782. Next, there is a vacancy for customer service representative position in international process. It is from Signal Export located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. They are offering a salary range between 16,000 to 22,000 rupees per month. Coming to job description, voice and non-voice discussions with international customers, customer service and negotiations, customer convincing and handling the grievances, generating daily business by selling forex and comex services, prospect making and relationship building. So these are all the responsibilities for a candidate. You please check with the description provided here, and for detailed information you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9977125444. Next, there is a job vacancy for executive field support. It is from Appalto Electronics Private Limited located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. They are offering a salary for this portion is 13,700 rupees per month. Interested candidates, you please check with the responsibilities and as well as with the job description provided here, and you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 0731478037. Next, there is a job vacancy for junior digital marketing executive from Prakya Solutions Private Limited located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So they have provided here the job description and company description. Please check with these ones, and 0 to 1 year of experience the candidates are needed for this position, and you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information, that is salary details and about the job and all the details. You can ask them with the given phone number, that is 75099999795. Next, there is a job vacancy for marketing intern. It is from Pushkal IT located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. For this position, the qualification will be any graduate. Freshers can apply for this position, and interested candidates, you please check with the job description provided here, and for detailed information for this position you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 6232667570. Next, there is a job vacancy for academic coordinator position from Career Training and Classes Private Limited located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. They are offering a salary range between 12,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. So interested candidates, you please check with the responsibilities and as well as the skills needed for this position, and you can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 9425317490. Next, Indian Institute of Technology Indore is hiring for the position of Chief Executive Officer, and one vacancy is available for this position. Any postgraduate persons can apply, and for this the experience will be 1 year to 15 years of experience is needed. Last date to apply for this position is 26 February 2021. So shortlisted candidates will be called for interaction or interview. The dates for interview will be announced later. So interested candidates, you can apply your application. You have to send your application to the provided email ID, that is office dri drishti drishti at iiti.ac.in. Have to send your application on and before 26th February 2021. So you please check with the application details provided here, and interested candidates, you can visit this website link provided here for detailed information. Next, there is a job role for marketing executive position from Pushkal IT. They are offering a salary range between 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per month for this position. Any graduates can apply. Freshers and experienced candidates both can apply for this position. So interested candidates, you please check with the job description, and for detailed information you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 6232667570. Next, There is a job opening for e-commerce executive position from Rice Agro Infra Private Limited, located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 rupees per month. Interested candidates, for detailed information, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8770896009, and you please check with the information provided here. Next, there is a vacancy for digital marketing for e-commerce position. It is from Snap Organic Enterprises, located in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. They are offering a salary range between 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. These are the job responsibilities and the skills needed for this position, and interested candidates, for detailed information you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9981850883. Next, there is a vacancy for sales marketing position from Pushkal IT. They are offering a salary range between 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per month for this position, and any graduate candidates can apply for this position. Freshers can be applied, and it is in the category of software sales and marketing. So interesting candidates, you please check with the job description provided here, and you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 6232667570. Hope this video will help you a lot for finding a job. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.